everyone, it's Crafting with Christy. Guess what? I got me some Diamond Art Club. I'm excited. Anyways, let's get right into it. And yes, I did peek, that's why my hand is right here. Sorry. I mean, I didn't peek all the way, but I know, but y'all don't. Well, y'all probably do, because it's... Are y'all ready? Because I'm definitely ready. Sorry. Get a little too excited. I'm gonna put it over here. Y'all ready? This is huge. I got the pink box. I did. And, oh, so beautiful. I hope y'all can see that. If not, and the reflection. Awesome. It's my new one that I got from Diamond Art Club from Mandie Manzano. It is AB diamonds, and it is Read Me a Bedtime Story. So I'm excited because I think this is a big one. Mrs. Coffee, if you want my pink box, I'll definitely send it to you. And it's so pretty. Now I know why everybody's all, oh, pink box, pink box. Holy cow, this thing's huge. The 9 steps. The 9 steps on how to diamond paint. Sorry. My obsession with Diamond Art Club. I love the Diamond Art Club smell. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm kind of excited. Like, well, I'm not kind of, I am. And this, like, look how big this freaking box is. Look how big it is. It almost, like, if I sit up, I can see over it. But, yeah. But anyways. You can see the canvas right there. So, this is gonna be a big one. Oh my god. So, the size of this is 67 by 50 cm. Centimeters, I think. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's huge. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. There's the canvas. And there's more. Oh goodness. Oh. I always have to show this because I love these kits. So you get a little Diamond Art Club baggie. You get a clear tray with a funnel. You get a blue pen. Come on. I know you're in there. Come on. Get out of there. Okay. Legos. You get a couple baggies. You get a 3-placer, which we'll just, and then you get a grippy. I got a blue grippy, and I don't know how many blue grippies I got. Just stick that on there. Sorry, I have an itch. And then you get 2 heart waxes. So that is all you get in their toolkit. I love it. And stick that all back in there. I'm so excited, y'all. I am so excited. Look, like, that is a thick bag of drills. What was I thinking? I wasn't. My fingers slipped. My fingers slipped, y'all. Oh, look how pretty that pink is, y'all. Let's see if we can find the AB diamonds. I don't like yellow, but holy crap. You could tell these are AB diamonds because I don't know if y'all can see that. Like this sparkle. Oh my goodness, y'all. Here's another bag of it, of the yellow. Let's see if there's any other color of the 80 diamonds. No. What did I get myself into? Y'all think my one from Ever Moment is going to be bad with the black and white? So far, I have found 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 big bags of 310. What did I get myself into? Oh. Oh. I don't know if it's just that color or... I'm still looking, y'all. Sorry, my nose itched. Oh, that's a cute, that's a pretty peachy pink. That's a pretty color. No. No, I think it's just the yellow. I could be wrong. That's why I'm still looking. God, but these are some beautiful colors. Sorry if y'all can hear my son. He's watching Rampage with the rock in it. Oh, we can't have it all the way down. Yeah, I think that's the only color that has our AB diamonds. But they're beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm telling y'all, my finger slipped. My finger did slip. Get right into it. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this whole thing in camera view. I'm going to just stick that up there. Oh, holy crap. If I can find the... Okay, there we go. I think. Is that... Yeah. Oh. This is gonna be huge. I think this is bigger than my sneaky cat. Oh my gosh. Oh, so soft. So soft. What did I get myself into? Okay. So, I'm just gonna show you. Oh, yeah. 49 colors. Oh my god. I'm speechless. Literally speechless. Are y'all ready for this? I might fall over and pass out, y'all. I know I'm not gonna get the whole thing, but no. Look how freaking beautiful that is. Isn't that pretty, Mom? Isn't that pretty? I couldn't say no. I could not say no. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I'm very speechless. Mandie Manzano makes beautiful paintings. There's no question about that. I'm absolutely in love with this canvas. Even though it has 40 colors. And there is a legend on this side. And also on this side. I love that. I don't want to put it upside down. I'm going to show y'all one more time. Ah! Just drop the canvas, Christy. Alrighty, everyone. I'm very speechless right now, so I love it. And I know y'all are gonna be shocked because the video I just uploaded, or is still uploading, I know I asked everyone's favorite Diamond Art Club canvas. Mine has changed. It used to be the Sneaky Cat. Not no more. It is this piece right here. And I'm super excited to work on it. Like, oh, it's beautiful. It's breathtaking. And I love it. And I'm going to love it even more when I work on it. So, that is all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my favorite new Diamond Art Club painting from Mandie Manzano. Read me a bedtime story. And Rachel, I'm still waiting. Alright, I will let y'all go. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up a video. Alrighty, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.